Hey everyone, this is Al from BoxBreakings.com. We just did the randomization for the '08 Bowman Chrome. Now we're on to the 2012 Bowman Chrome, the randomization weekend special November 22nd to 25th. We have, I believe, 45 names in here, I do believe. And let me see here. Yes, 45 people. Quickly go down the list here, slowly. You can catch your name as it goes by. Alright, there you go, ending with Michael again. Go all the way to the top. And we're just going to do the same thing where we capture all of the customer names, copy it, bring you over here, going to randomize it 3 times again. Alright, ending in Michael and beginning with Brett, and randomization 3 times. Here comes number 1. And down to the bottom, number 2, number 3. So we've done it 3 times. 3:42 UTC, which is 10:42 p.m. East Coast. And we have Stephen, Matthew, Robert, Matthew, Peter, Vic, Chuck, Peter, Jonathan, Moshe, Matthew, Stephen, Matthew, so on and so forth. Grab the top 30 teams again here. Copy, bring you on over, and I'll be scrolling on up here and paste. Alright, here we go. Ready? Go down the list once again. 2012 Bowman Chrome. And there you go. There's your teams for the 2012 Bowman Chrome. Good luck during this break, and we will be on to the 2012 Bowman Football Chrome, so stay tuned for that randomization.